Hello again. If you've set up your Calendly link and you also are a Zoom school like Greenwich Country Day School is, I'm going to show you how to integrate Zoom with Calendly so that every time somebody books an appointment with you, it automatically creates a Zoom link for you to meet. So, if you haven't set up your Calendly account yet and linked it to your Google Calendar, watch the other video about that. Right now, I'm going to assume that you have. So if you have, go to calendly.com, press login, and you may need to enter your email address to log in, and then press login with Google, choose your account, and we'll be back at the Calendly homepage. So down here are the different events that we created. If we press the gearbox on one, and then press edit, you'll get some different options on this page. Click the first one that says, what event is this? Now, in the location area, we're going to click, and you'll see a lot of different options. But the one we want to choose is Zoom. And the first time we do this, we'll get an error message. It says it's not connected. Visit the Zoom integration page to connect your account. Click that blue link to the Zoom integration page. It will jump you to calendly.com/integrations/Zoom. You can press Connect Zoom, sign in with Google, authorize, and now we are set up to do this. So if I close this tab, once I get to this Zoom account connected, I can close that tab, press the back arrow. You may need to, it'll say leave, right? We'll get back to this page, press the gear, press edit, and we're back here. So after I've integrated Zoom, I can press what event is this, press location and Zoom, and now this error message is gone. We can press save and close, go back, and make sure you do this for each of your events. So I also have a 15-minute meeting. I'll click what event is this, go to location and Zoom and press save. And now, anytime someone books one of these two events with me, it's going to create a link to Zoom.